Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and back for another quick segment. On today's segment, what we're doing is an unboxing. We're unboxing a product that I think would be beneficial to most people during this particular time. And the time that I'm referring to is the extreme heat. Most of the time with the extreme heat, and I'm talking about well into the hundreds, you want to just sit in front of a fan or an air conditioner. But in some cases, in most cases, that's not that you can't do that all day. You have to work. And depending on if you a welder, if you a construction worker, different, if you are custodial maintenance person or whatnot, you want to stay cool as possible. And the product that I have in mind will help keep you cool. And in some cases, even if you have heat-related illnesses, it will be beneficial to you. And you're saying, what is this guy talking about? Well, let's show you what I'm talking about now. We're going to do an unboxing of a product called, and we're going to bring that up, the Foldable Neck Fan. I'm going to open that up now so you can see the product. Okay, inside of the box you have a USB-C charging cord. Okay, let's take out, you have your user's guide. Okay, and that's it in the box. Now within this nice bag with the drawstrings, okay, let's take out our product. Let's see, let's get this plastic off. Okay, now what we have here is a neck fan. And this neck fan is going to be very beneficial to you to help keep you cool. You say, okay, that sounds good. Well, let me show you. As you can see, let me turn it around. These open areas allow the fan to blow cool air through these open areas. As such, as you can see. And you're gonna put it onto your neck as such, and you're gonna feel that cool air. Now you're saying, oh, that sounds good. Well, let's crank it up. Now, before you crank it up, be sure that you charge it to the full max, and then operate the unit in accordance with the user guide. So now we're gonna come in, and here is our on and off switch. We're going to press that now. And you can hear that air ever so slightly. Well, let's increase that. Now that's on the second one. You can still hear it. Let's add to that. Now I know you can hear that. And that strong wind, you're gonna put that on your neck, fold it in as such, and that air is just gonna circulate around your head, helping to keep you cool. It's a beneficial thing. Okay, let's turn this off. And as I said, this is a very beneficial product, especially if, like if you are an older woman and you have reached menopause and you suffer from hot flashes. This will help minimize that, help keep you cool somewhat. On those hot days, you can wear it basically all day and then easily take it off. Fold it up as such and just neatly tuck it away. You can put it back into his bag or put it wherever you can tuck it away and carry it with you or keep it on your neck. Now I have another product that goes along with this. Let me show you that now. Now this is another product. It's called the Portable Waist Fan. Now, as you can see, this will tuck into your waistband, and this is where you would tuck your shirt in, and the air, as you can see, will come in through the bottom and blow up through your shirt. It also has a light on it, of course. Let's show you that in action. So as I press it, that's speed 1 at 100% charge, as you can see. We're going to press it again. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And that's 5. And that's blowing some serious air. Now let me show you how you can hook that up. Of course, let me show you the light first. So we're gonna press and hold the button. So now that our light comes on, we have a strobe light, emergency SOS light. Now we're gonna hold that and disengage the light. We're gonna go back to turning it on at 100%. Now let's go through 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let me show you how you wear this product. Now, as you can see, you merely put the product on your belt, and you're going to take your shirt and you're going to come over this one here as such. And that's going to allow the air to circulate from underneath and push air into your shirt. So let's show you that. Now you can see how we got fresh air coming in our shirt. We can feel the air circulating. And also with our neck fan, we're gonna be cool. So think about grabbing something like that, because this is very beneficial to you. And with that being said, I'm Michael, your handyman. Please like and subscribe. And as always, think safe, be safe. And I think we got another job to go to. See you on the next job.